Alright y'all, the garage is clean. From the last video you guys saw a bunch of crap up here, gone. So I got everything cleaned up, kind of organized everything so I can get everything back together. I started putting stuff together so I knew exactly what went with what, so I didn't look too stupid trying to put everything back together. So I'm gonna start with the front end. I want to get these back on, get the jack stands off the front end, and get the steering linkage put back together. So let's start it up. So right now I got it on jack stands. I'll go ahead and start taking this apart if I can remember. Before I do that, let me get this one off. Yeah, unfortunately I can't get these powder coated, but you know, it is what it is. I'll get as much as I can. Toolbox is still messy. Yeah, this stuff's a process, man. I ain't no baller, so shit takes time. Every paycheck, put a little bit away and try to buy this, buy that. You know, takes, kind of sucks, but hey, it is what it is. I'd like to put more videos up for you guys. I just don't have enough time to edit. Oh man, that's probably the worst part of everything. You guys that put your videos up, you guys know editing is probably the worst part. What did I do? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like I said, I've got these on my list, and the washers, the lock washers for black ARP 12 point. So I'll order some up and get them here. Point. These are the original ones that came with it. If I can't find these in black, I'll just send these over to my boy and have him powder coat. I should have had him do it when I sent everything else, but you know, your boy was in a rush. Yes, you do want it that long because you're going to be adding shims in here in the future when it comes time for the alignment in the front end. I'm not going to tighten that down at all. Oh man, that looks so much better than from what it did before. Just a big old silver piece hanging out there. As you guys can see, I got the brake lines in, going inside the frame. Couldn't really do too much about the black. I should have gave him this to get powder coated, but it probably ended up being scratch anyway. So, but the line goes in the frame, comes out on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks real good. All right, so I got those on. That look good. Now I'm gonna start working on this steering linkage. Just get everything bolted back up. The sway bar. I'll go ahead and slide those on first real quick. Oh, this is just the washers. I mean, let me know what you guys think, man. Do you guys even care about me putting on every freaking nut and bolt, or you guys just want to see finished products? Like, let me know. Because if I don't have to waste my time showing you guys a good time. Pause. I know that these are grade 8 bolts. I don't know if ARP makes these this long and if they're that strong. That I do not know. So I will be hitting them up and so I can find out. But these are getting swapped out. This is getting swapped out. It's like a never-ending process. Let's get these on now. All right, y'all, I got the front end done. Sorry, I couldn't do the whole GoPro on the chest thing. That shit was getting on my nerves. I'm trying to poke my chest out so you guys can see it better. But nah, I'm just gonna hold it in the hand. Let you guys see how good that looks. Not the depth, the steering linkage. Good. And we got the sway bar, which I'm probably gonna pick up next week. Powder coated black. So yeah, that looks good. On to the next.